Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Mazda 6 Classic Hatch, stock reference number 5325. The shape runs from the 5th month 2003 through to the 7th month 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror does have some light scratches. Left rear door, 2 small dents. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light, right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. Seats need cleaning. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heating controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.